Hello everyone! Today, we're going to solve another question from the Oxford Entrance Test. This one was asked in 2021. It goes like this. A is a positive number, and we are given a definite integral, and the question is asking what value of A satisfies the equation. Don't get intimidated by these questions. If you put in the effort, you can solve them. Top universities like this usually give questions in a very raw form, and the answers often seem a little strange. Take a look at the options. Some of them are clearly just made up. Anyway, as always, let's move the question to the left side. There's nothing special about this integral. It's a pretty standard expression. In fact, we can rewrite it in two parts, like this, right? The square root of x, read as x to the power 1/2, can be integrated by increasing the exponent by 1 and dividing by the new exponent. That gives us 2 times x to the power 3/2 divided by 3, and the second part is simply x cubed divided by 3. If you plug in the lower limit, which is 0, the result is 0. If you plug in the upper limit a, you get 2, a to the power 3/2 over 3, plus a cubed over 3, equals 5. So how do we solve this equation? Notice that a cubed is actually the square of a to the power 3/2, right? So if we let t equal a to the power 3/2, the equation becomes 2t over 3 plus t squared over 3 equals 5. Now, if we multiply both sides by 3, we get 2t plus t squared equals 15. Let's move 15 to the other side as a negative. T squared plus 2t minus 15 equals 0. Now we have a quadratic equation with one variable. This expression factors into t plus 5 and t minus 3. So the equation has two roots. One is -5 and the other is 3. Remember, t was a to the power 3/2, so let's substitute it back in. Now, which one is the correct answer? The question told us that a is a positive number, so we take 3. Now, to isolate a, we raise both sides to the power of 2/3. As you know, when exponents are stacked, we multiply them. So we get a equals 3 to the power 2/3. The correct answer is option C. Now I want to ask you a question. Feel free to leave your answers in the comments. If the question hadn't said that a is a positive number, and instead just said a is a real number, would we have taken -5? Yes or no, and why? That brings us to the end of another Oxford problem. See you in the next one.